3 work from home jobs that bring in the cash. Welcome to my channel, everyone. My name is Andre, and on this channel I talk about how to make money online, entrepreneurship, and also ways how you can improve your finances. And I always talk about jobs as well. All right, so welcome. If this is your first time, let me know in the comments where you're watching this video from. And for my regulars, happy to have you here, and make sure that you keep coming back and subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, because every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know. All right, so I'm not going to waste too much of your time today, but I'm going to show you 3 work from home jobs that bring in the cash. All right, so I'm going to dive into things right away. And the first thing I'm going to be talking about is there's a website that's called Indeed.com. So just type in Indeed.com and you can search for online web evaluator. And what an online web evaluator is, basically you do you outreach and you search different things on the website. Like you go through like web pages and you're always browsing through. So there's companies out there that are actually looking for people, especially on social media. They want to be able for you to keep up with the new trend, keep up what's happening, and make sure that you stay on top of your game. So that's a great way. So you could just come through here. You could see this is like warm line worker, right? I typed this in, but you can get anywhere from like $15 to $18 an hour, right? Just for applying for this. So easily apply. So you just click on it. Social media evaluator, right? So you can come on here, check this out. You have degree and transcript evaluator. So you could just come through here on Indeed.com and type in online web evaluator. So that's what they're looking for. They're looking for people that can, keep up with what's going on. So you can probably do this either part-time or full-time, right? And all you got to do is just apply and see what works for you, all right? So the next website I'm going to be talking about is called Converge or Converges, right? Whichever way you pronounce it, you see it on the screen right here. So you just type it in and you find. So this website specifically, they are a website that offers great services to a lot of companies. So it's a worldwide, this is worldwide, right? And all you got to do is just come on here. And as you can see, expertise and passion, actionable insights, digital first experience. So this is what they offer their clients. So if there's someone out there with a huge company and they want to get some work done, they would have just come here, right? So if you're in the US, all you got to do is just click on the different job categories. As you can see here, they have account management, analytics, innovation, contact center, operation, direct sales, HR shared, right? So you can find that. Now, if you're not in the US, just click on where it says careers up top. Once you click on careers, then you could change the location, change your location, click on where it says search and apply. So I'm just going to click on it just for the sake of the video so you can see how to get there and how you can apply, right? So yeah, come down here, look, and as you can see, they give you some information, right? It's known for many as a place of incredible careers. So they have a ton of different jobs that you can do, and they will find you the job that fits whatever the clients are looking for. So that's a good thing. So all you have to do is just come down here. As you can see, work at home careers, bring the call center to you. So yeah, you're going to be getting on the phone, you're going to be working this, but there's other jobs in here as well. If you decide to do that, they have customer service careers, health care agent careers, military family opportunity. Now this is big, this is huge. And I know there's a lot of, veterans, military personnel, active or active duty, or maybe not active, and you guys want to, hop on this and check it out. So see, look at this. This person, I just returned from Egypt, and it was a huge experience for me working with a completely different culture. So it seems like they even send people overseas as well. So that is huge. So if your passion is traveling, maybe you can land one of these travel gigs, right? And travel, see the world, and get paid at the same time. So check out the website and you can get some more information about it as well. All right. So the third website I'm going to be talking about is Upwork. And I know I've talked about Upwork in previous videos, but I'm going to show you there's a virtual assistant, and look how much people are getting paid being a virtual assistant, right? $23.50 an hour. This person earned over 7K already from Upwork, right? So they do post your earnings. And right here you have Stephanie, right? Earn up to 10K. She's like $50 an hour. She does more. She does a lot of different things. You can see most of these people not just do one thing, but they do multiple. So if you can do one or few, or let's say 5 things at the same time, better for you as well. Because if, let's say, virtual assistant is a bit slow, you can do translation, right? If you're bilingual, you can do data entry, you can do customer service, administrative support, email handling, and all that kind of stuff. So it's a great way if you do know more than one or two. That's a bonus. If you only know one thing, hey, it's not a problem. You can still get gigs. You can still make money on this website. So all you got to do is just sign up for Upwork.com and look through here and see all the different rates. Now, for someone who's fairly new and you just started out, for me, I wouldn't go for these high rates in like 25, or, I would go more like 10, 15, just to get your feet wet, just to dive in, just to get your name out there, right? And then once you start to put it out there, eventually you can slowly increase your price. So you want to bump it up to, maybe in a couple months, 15 from there, right? Because you want to have a lot of, what do they call it, testimonials, and a lot of ratings. Once your ratings are high, once you have a lot of testimonials, people are going to come to you and be like, hey, you know what? I want to work with this person. So for me, if I was starting off, hey, start off low, right? Start from the bottom, work your way on up. Don't go and be like, well, I'm going to start at 30 or 35. No, start low and work your way on up. It's just like anything. You got to grind it out in the beginning, but eventually you can bump it up to where you're worth, right? And some people do this part-time, some people do it full-time. So that's a good thing. And my advice to you, start off part-time as always. You finish your day job, you got 4 hours blocked off. Hey, why not work 4 hours instead of you watching TV? I'm just saying, right? But I hope you guys enjoy this video. So that was the 3 work from home job that bring in the cash. All right. So hope you enjoy this video. Remember, subscribe, like, hit that bell notification, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. Leave me a comment down below, and make sure you check out my #1 recommendation of making money online. All right. In the first description. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Peace.